Hello guys, and today we are going to be making parfait. I've been craving parfait and I just feel like let me just do it myself. So I'm starting with my Greek yogurt. That will be the base of the parfait. So 2 spoons of Greek yogurt is enough, and I'm going to be adding my fruits at this moment. This is my strawberries, and I'm going to be adding blueberries, and I'm going to be adding some coconuts, and of course I'm going to be adding my granola. This granola is from Oye's store, Oye's salad, and it's an amazing product. Granola is awesome, as coconut, as raisins, as dry fruits, as almond. So that's all I need, just my fruit and the granola, and I'm good to go. So going in with the second base now. This is the second base yogurt, and this will probably be the last base for the yogurt. So it's just a solo parfait. So I'm going to be adding my coconuts and my fruits again, the granola too. So that's the granola. Adding the granola again, adding my strawberries, I'm adding my blueberries, and I'm going to be adding more granola because it has all the nuts and the fruits that I'll be needing again. So that is it basically. And oh, lest I forget, I'm going to be adding my honey for the sweetness, of course just extra sweetness, because most times the fruit is enough. So my parfait is ready to be consumed.